Okay, just a quick EdShed video here. We're in was it Shedemageddon at the moment, aren't we? Right, our high truck starter motor has stood into a total loss, and we've now got a problem because we have got this, and this is our clutch fork. Now, our clutch fork, as most people are well aware, they have a little grub screw here. We haven't got the grub screw, so we're improvising, we're making one. But we've realised that sadly it's 716. We've only got one clutch thrust, which is the shallow one, and I don't think it's going to work. Obviously that went on there. 4.2, some old clutch plate I found that's brand new, but it's a metric one, it don't match up. It's a little bit on the small side, but who cares. The bell housing is the one we did a bit of adjust. I actually adjusted to try to see whether I could make my high torque starter by moving it, and it doesn't work. So found a couple of grubby old circlips to hold that in. But yeah, so basically we've got an issue that this here is now going to be incredibly close to there, so we've got to tighten that nut down and then carefully grind that off. Should be Loctite in, haven't got any Loctite, so let's just tighten it up. Yeah, okay, right, okay, so that's it, that's what my assistant here is doing, because I've hurt my back, my leg, my arm and everything at the moment, and we have got the old adapter plate on, because we've sort of done a little bit of a thing. We haven't used the gearbox we were going to use because the gearbox is slightly too long. I'm hoping that that'll be shorter, so at the end of the day I think it'll be fine. Got it tight? Yeah. No, it's not Conan, but you know. Right, then you have to cut the head of that off. Flush. Flush. Can you get in there to it? Right. Close your eyes, what are you doing? Where's your safety goggles? Not very good safe practice, is it? He's going to ignore me. See that? It's like Christmas, eh? Okay, so there's our... well, alright, that's not quite what we thought it was going to be, but it's... Alright.
He's not flat flush, but he's...
Well, you want to just put a bit... You might as well see if you can, just flush it off. I always believe they used a half nut on there anyway, so we've got a full nut. Right, now this is the moment of truth. If you put the wrong thrust bearing in there, now what you want to do, just, if you can get her in, just go in. It's got like a, so it actually goes in an angle and then turns around. Yep. Right, okay, now get the bell housing onto the engine, quick. Don't worry about putting the clips in, we'll take it back on, we've got to come back on. We got, yeah, quick before it falls out. No, because and then where's your bolts?
I left the bolts close to where I was working.
Yeah, well I put them away again because I thought they'd get kicked off. I know what you like, I've had you a while. And how you like to kick things about the shed. Further down, wherever you finish with them. Right, so work that up, and then we will know. Yeah, do the two opposite if you can. Yeah, because you want it. Yeah,
Putting one so it doesn't hang.
Just that one. Right. What do you reckon? Is luck going to be on our side, or is it not going to be on our side? Yeah, just zip them in and pull them out. That's how to screw it. Go down lower. Yeah, you've got to get into the best one is to get into that one there, or that one there. Either that one there, that one there, whichever. It's working through. We've got to find those plates to go, the lockdown plates. There's 2 lockdown plates missing. Oh dear. And then just, this is the big long one. You don't really want to work that through because it's too long.
I'd only put it there to stop it from hanging. So
I know. Okay.
it's only just, you just wanted 2 of them.
No, just 2 of that. Yeah. Right now. It's the wrong one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not a chance in hell.
No.
Even on full extent, are we going to be able to?
It touches it,
But it would release it.
No, it wouldn't do anything. Yeah.
Right. So we need a deep. Right. So get it off, and you need to get in the shed next door. You need to go in the new boxes at the end. Just go through. If not, then we're back to the synchro box.
Do you remember?
Hey.
Was what I said to you. We should.
No, because we can't. Listen. Whatever we do, we need an oil seal for the front of the synchro box. So we haven't got the oil seal, so I need to buy that anyway.
Oh.
So I always thought to myself, we probably need a thrust bearing. So there you go. There you learned something there. Whatever one you've got, make sure it's the right one. We haven't got the right one. So as they say, what do we say? Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Waste your time wisely.
Follow.
And always look on the bright side of life.